going on, guys? Xadamleex, and look at all this snow. So we actually had a full-on like blizzard, like there were blizzard warnings and everything, and we got about, I think we got over a foot of snow. So luckily they plowed this sort of side street on my way to work. And luckily my dad's letting me use his all-wheel drive Yukon. What is this, GMC? I think it's GMC Yukon. Chevy Yukon maybe, I don't know. No, Chevy doesn't sound right. I think it's GMC. But yeah, this thing's pretty nice in the snow. I'm just going, no problem. Ah, it's freezing though. I can't feel my hands because I don't even know if my dad's what's it called, if my dad's heat works, because I can't feel any heat and my hands are like frozen. I might just go into my work early and just go chill in the nice heat. Ah, man, this sucks. Alright guys, well, I'm going to let you go so I can actually focus two hands on the wheel. Hope you guys are safe out there if you guys are in conditions like this. Well, no matter what, I hope you guys are safe out there, but more importantly, if you're, you know, in the middle of a blizzard, a whole bunch of schools got canceled and everything. Alright guys, well, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.